Traders, Gary Wagner here. Just about 10:30 in Honolulu, 4:30 in New York. It is Thursday, 27th day of August, 2015, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We have had tremendous movements in markets across the board, precious metals included, as long as we don't include gold. And let me show you what I mean. Gold today, in essence, unchanged, 1125.10, puts it up about 40 cents, 50 cents. This is COMEX. Now, it's had a low of 17 and a high of 25.10. So not very much range when we look at the COMEX. Now, if we go to our other market, which is spot gold, that is currently trading up, call it $1 on the day, 18 on the low, 29 on the high. And as you know, I do have an ask on one and a bid on the other. So that's where you'll sometimes see that $1 discrepancy. But nonetheless, you're looking at, in essence, unchanged to a little bit higher, $1 higher here. COMEX, you're looking at, in essence, unchanged. But that all shifts when we look at palladium, silver, and platinum. Palladium, for example, up almost 7% on the day, 564.50. I believe that is in tandem and sympathy with a stock market that is absolutely recovered over the last couple of days. You've got a strong net change on here. You've also got a pretty dynamic range. Take a look at platinum. Platinum up only 2% on the day, but that's still a $21 move, and it is over $1,000 per ounce. And then lastly, we'll look at silver. And silver gained about 2.5%. So you've got palladium just really moving substantially, platinum moving strongly, silver moving strongly, and gold, in essence, lethargic on the day. So what are we really to make of today's activity in gold? Well, as you know, ever since this market is traded at approximately, call it 1170, 1171, when we hit this top up here, we have seen a dramatic decline in terms of pricing, roughly $50 on the day. We have also, as we pointed out yesterday, on a technical basis, a double harmonics that comes in at around 1109. Now, when you add that with the Western technical indicators like the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which has crossed at this point, but we haven't seen that classic hook. And what I mean by hook is you've got the cross right here, but you need to see that hook down and then a continuation down like that. We haven't gotten that hook yet. However, we have gotten our cross. And when we look at the momentum side of the MACD, we certainly see that has gone negative. And so our Fibonacci support and resistance levels, the MACD and momentum, along with the Japanese average charts, when we look at these three studies together, it does allude to lower pricing in gold. We could see it go as low as 1109. But I must tell you this, the way that we saw platinum, palladium, and silver react to the plus side could definitely move or hold or prop up gold just a little bit. Now, of course, the other thing that we really want to do is to factor in dollar strength or weakness to the equation to really see what the big picture looks like. And I've just gone ahead and pulled up our Kitco Gold Index. And when I do that, you can see that when we look at, for example, gold strengthening dollar and trading amounted to about equal in terms of the move itself. And that's why we got our, in essence, unchanged day today, where we got $5 of negative and $5 of positive, strengthen the dollar, normal trading. But now look at the other markets, because when we go to the other markets, of course, the constant's always going to be the dollar strength or weakness. That's not going to change. And you have your percentage gain here always the same, and how that amounts to per ounce of each of these precious metals. But look at normal trading then take over in silver, platinum, and palladium. Palladium, as I said, up $30 on the day, by far the percentage gainer that has exceeded all the other markets, up 5.5% plus. Platinum up 2%, and then silver up about 2.5%. So what that tells me is that over the next couple of days, our play might not be in gold, but rather be in platinum, palladium, or silver. I certainly believe that if we see a continuation of the rally that began in the equities markets yesterday, and we have an economic scenario that provides us with the belief that it is good, it is expanding, it is vibrant, you're probably going to see these industrial metals truly benefit, because they have been so under pressure lately that it wouldn't surprise me to see these be the recipient, let's say, of that industrial move to the upside. You can also see that in the base metals. Commodities as a whole have been under dramatic pressure, and you can see that all these base metals performed well. And take a look at oil. Oil up about 10% on the day, closing up almost $4.25 on the day. Tremendous move in all of these markets nonetheless. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow on Friday for the weekly wrap-up and review. Bye-bye.